welcome back to another video. So today, don't mind the mess, we're going to be reacting, Bruno, we're going to be reacting to some fidgets. What do you think of the word, Bruno? So I'm going to hold you guys, like, right there. First thing we're going to react to, this guy. Here, Bruno, sniff it. Got it. Does it stink? Does it stink? Okay. Next thing we're going to look at is a sticky ball. Ooh, you're interested. You're very interested in that. Oh, okay. Here. Next thing we're going to react to is a just regular old pop. Okay guys, so next thing we're going to be reacting to is a plastic poppet. This one's a little bit louder. Bruno, here. What was that? Okay, next thing is a pop tube, which you might run from this one. Get a treat, come on. No dogs were hurt in the film process. Come here. Come here.